It takes a little bit of planning, but I think that having a bag helps you reduce waste in small ways. So I have my bag here. I'm going to show you what I usually bring. I usually bring this thing that carries all my utensils. I mean, you don't have to have something like this, but I just put my own fork and spoon. So whenever I go out, I have it. If I'm going to be eating out, I don't have to take the plastic ones. I have chopsticks. I also have a reusable straw. So that's really nice to carry. I also have reusable Kleenex. So you take this out, you clean your mouth or you blow your nose, and you're going to put it back at the top and you just throw everything into the wash. If you don't have something like this, you can also always use a small towel or like cut up pieces of t-shirts, and it acts as the same thing. So you just throw it into the wash. It reduces so much waste because that in order to produce Kleenex, it requires water to produce, and it's much easier this way.